We simply set out to solve a major issue in the healthcare industry, and it's around patient outreach and physician acceptance rates. The number one issue is that healthcare organizations are incredibly proud of the physicians that they've been able to recruit and therefore service their patient populations. However, they don't have a game plan for broadcasting the reputations of those physicians across the procedures that they provide and the conditions that they serve. So what we've enabled is healthcare organizations to put up an unlimited number of sites, independent sites that focus physician by physician, condition by condition, procedure by procedure. And that with traditional search engine optimization tactics and strategies allows us to canvas the search engines around their doctors, around those conditions, around those procedures, and not with just one ranking on the top page of Google. We're talking about owning the top page of Google. We're talking about getting into the search engine rankings, search engine optimization that goes way beyond where the healthcare industry has been able to go before. And this is really important because patients are out there every single day making a decision on whether or not they're going to accept your primary care doctors or the referrals that they're getting to your specialty care physicians. They are researching. And our research has shown that in this day and age, patients will change their referral patterns. No matter if it's on the lower end, it could have been a self-referral procedure, or it could have been on the higher end, something like cancer. They are out there on a mission to make sure that they're finding out the best possible information available to connect, to accept those physicians. And the best information that they have during their due diligence is the bio on your website. And if you were to look at those bios and say, is that the kind of information I want to empower my patient population that is looking to connect with my physicians, is that the best that I can do? What we help you do is take the voice of your physicians themselves and insert them into the search engines in a way that canvasses absolutely every important search that a patient could be doing around your physicians, their procedures, and the conditions that they have. This way, all the work that you've done to bring in the world-class physicians into your organization, let them themselves tell those patients why they should be their primary care physician, why they should accept that specialty care referral to them. There isn't a better way to address those core mission critical searches that patients are doing thousands, if not tens of thousands of times a month around your physicians. And for most healthcare organizations, they are represented in only a fraction of the searches that happen around those physicians, those conditions, and those procedures. So if every doctor can represent, on average, 7 to 10 unique visits to your website right now, think of what we could do together if we canvass the search engines with hundreds or thousands of sites dedicated around your doctors, their procedures, and the patient conditions. And you will have created a game plan, a patient outreach and physician acceptance rate game plan like you have never had before for your organization. What we want to do is we want to make sure that your physicians themselves, their voice about their background, their procedures, their philosophy of care, their department, from them is broadcast around the search engines. So the moment the patients are looking for it, they get the best research ever because they hear it directly from the physicians themselves. That's what we do. We empower healthcare organizations to have a game plan like they've never been able to have before around patient outreach and affecting physician acceptance rates. If you'd like to hear more, if you'd like to see case studies, we would love to talk to you.